need to breathe. Get me up and out of the sheets, onto my feet. Another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Hey, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education to understand the word that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's faded. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I created. I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. You think it's big cause this life is no haven. stop. All that is proud and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Let's wake up, it's me. You gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? Feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need. Just proceed and be exactly what you want it to be. I feel right and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'm a shout all aloud, how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me. Till now I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now, and I know I'll be fine. I don't wanna hear just what all of the haters gotta say. I know everything I do is gonna make them fade away. Feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something. All you need is hope. I just want you to trust me. If you wanna be something, yeah. Take a look in the mirror. Are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your ear? Can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts there? Or can you be where your feet are when you stand right here and say no? I'm never gonna give up. I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. I'm gonna make a show. Let myself fucking go all the way to the top. Can't stop. I'm a soldier. It's closer to the silver. Older, bolder. Forward, older, never slower. Did you know ya? Don't make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. It's everything that you need. It's in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you read. It's in the time that you lead. Every second of life is another blessing to me. Feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something. All you need is hope. I just want you to trust me. If you wanna be something, yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad, and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drop, and it creeps out. But with a little bit of hope, you can figure it out. Let's go. Keep your head high, even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight, through the painful nights. You keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising, keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself. Don't let nobody stop. You can make it through this hell. Tell you what's a better time. As you climb, if you fail, you'll be fine. Get back up to the grind, and never lose sight of your mission. Your mission be driven. This life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it, so win it, so win it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be seen somehow. Don't miss it. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope. Waking up, every day's tough. I'm just hoping I can make it through the same stuff. Got a bad job, got no love. Feel so alone, feel so stuck. Gotta find something to look forward to. Anything to keep my mind off what I'm going through. But I don't know where to start, what's the first move? Maybe I just try a bunch of different things soon. Yeah, that could be the trick. 100 different things, I mean